Hello guys, welcome back and welcome to the 2nd of April on USA. Well, today is the 3rd of April in Australia, but this morning we just had the Uncle Donald Trump giving a speech, and there was a lot to talk about on that. Unfortunately, I don't have much time to do the video, so just a heads up. Tonight we're going to be having the webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. in this Australia time. For you to join, it's very simple. You can just go in the description of the video and click into the link to join the Telegram. That's where I send a reminder a few minutes before. I try to, sometimes I'm too busy, and I already send the link at 5. When it exactly hits 5 p.m. I send the link for everyone to join, okay? So that being said, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let's get to know what Donald Trump just said this morning. Okay, lots and lots of things actually. The Liberation Day, as Donald Trump liked to call it, is the day that USA got liberated, got liberty from getting tariffed and not not doing tariffs back on the other countries. I have the image here that we can see a few, I will ask kindly Dave to put this image right above here so everyone can see it. But we can see that China has been tariffs on the US 67%. And then US gave it back 34% on tariffs. European Union had 39% tariffs on USA, and then the Donald Trump tariff back 20%. And then it goes. The list is very big, as you guys can see. I will be breaking down more in depth tonight. But the main point here is, if they tariff us, we're going to tariff them back. The minimum tariffs is 10%, and the maximum is good luck. We don't know. So it can be exactly the same, or it can be even double. Okay, so if we pay attention on those numbers, for instance, China, Europe, India, and all the tables that are here, we can see that majority of those countries, he's just doing a 50% tariff. Okay, except for Brazil, that area is exactly 10%, and Australia and New Zealand as well. But apart from those countries, we don't have much emerging markets except from Brazil. But another country that is actually, everyone was waiting for is Canada and Mexico. What happened to that? We don't have anything. If you look at the list, there's nothing with Canada and Mexico. Well, that's because the tariffs has been postponed into November last year. Yes. So in November 2024, Donald Trump made an agreement with Canada and Mexico that they would see how much they would do with each other to work out the business. All right. So that being said, we don't know much about Canada and Mexico, but we know another stuff as well, that any car that gets into not produced into USA and gets into USA will be charged 25%, all right, on tariffs. So the cars can be costing maybe 25% more, okay, and that is of course a very inflationary pressure for USA. Very, very bad economic growth. We're more likely not going to have much economic growth on USA. Plus, the Fed will be more hawkish towards now, okay? So that's how we're rolling at the moment, guys, from USA. I reckon if we had some good data coming out from Australia and New Zealand, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar will be very strong. So watch out for those two currencies. The euro dollar, most likely we will see that retrace back at 1.10, as I've mentioned it, and then a pull back down even to parity maybe in the next couple months, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you could understand what is happening with Donald Trump and what's happening with USA. Stay tuned, because again, we still have the NFP tomorrow. So it's just it's one after another data point that coming from economic calendar this week. If you have any questions, please put down in the comments, or come and bring those questions tonight for me this afternoon, actually from 5 to 6 p.m. and I see you there. The easiest way for you to join is go in the description of the video, click the link to join the Telegram, and I will send the link soon it hits 5 p.m. and you can join me and bring your questions, and we're gonna have a good time. Thank you so much. I see you tomorrow, or I see you in the next video. Bye bye.